Hey Crank It people, what's up guys? Another video for you, coming a little bit different than cars and everything else we've been doing. We're going to do a bathroom remodel. This 1983 bathroom is going to go. We're going to change the floors, we're going to change the countertops, the cabinets, the vanities, the mirrors, the lighting, the wall tile, the bathtub, everything's going to change. So if you guys like these videos, watch them. I know it's a little bit different, but I want this channel to kind of go into everyday thing, just like I did with the Cadillac and everything else, where it was just an everyday man, woman can fix things and then do them in an easy way as possible. So follow along, and here we go. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. I did want to say a couple words. You hear the echo? Whoa. Anyways, swoosh. Crank it. Anyways, Ryobi, I'm not getting paid by them or anything like that. I know people diss on them because they're cheap guys. I love these tools. Man, this echo is killing me. I love these tools. They do good work. I mean, I've had these tools for years already, and I'm in the construction field using them almost daily basis. This set right here, I've had for over a year and a half, close to probably 2 years. I love this set. Quality's beautiful. It does really good work. So just saying, you know, on a budget, yeah, who needs all the D brand and the R brand and the N brand and yeah, anyways. Alright, taking out this beautiful, this will be up on Pinterest. We'll be selling this for a collector's item if anybody wants it. Alright, next step, what are we going to take off now? Let's take this off. What were people thinking when they came up with this?
I have no clue. Hey.
Okay, how does this come off? We're gonna cut the caulk seal here to get it out of here. But all we've got, and that's all we're gonna use.
There we go.
There she is, or he.
Or one of those two.
$5. You want it? Pinterest.
Pinterest.
eBay.
Let go.
Alright, next. We're gonna go for towel rack.
Go.
Recommendation, guys and ladies, get yourself a Ziploc bag and all the screws you get out of this bathroom or whatever remodel, just put them in there. You never know when you're going to be putting everything back that you might need 1, 2, 3 different types. Just hold on to them. Alright, that's done. Alright boys, this is going to be a heavy one. Be careful. Alright, the cameraman's going to have to give me a hand. So next step is going to be, we're going to try to get down to take off the vanity top. To do that, I always find that if you are going to be getting rid of things, the vanity, well, so to say, take the doors off. It takes a minute. Just come in, pop them off, get them out of your way. I'll show you something. Get them out of your way, that way you can easily work. Alright. Alright. Next shot we're gonna have is I'm gonna be working underneath here, so we'll set up the camera and we'll get back at you. You recording this?
Yeah.
Smash it forward. Now, since we don't have a hammer, let's see. Watch out, your camera. Yeah. There we go. Drink it style. Alright boys, now this is in my way too. I got a solution for that. Woo! Look, nice. Now let's see if this will work. Let's start, it feels good. Whoa! Nice guys, nice. What demolition. Alright, I'm just trying to get access, come on. Who would put vinyl tile on the, oops, I cracked the tile.
Oops.
Who would do that? Okay, I need to get this piece out of here. There you go. Now we have access to our disgusting, you might want to turn the light on. Alright, this is what we got to deal with. We actually had a drip in here that the owner didn't know about. Look at this, somebody did that. This is probably going to the refrigerator. The owner of this house has no idea what he's dealing with. But, okay, anyways, poor owner of this house. Let's take the drain out. This is gonna be disgusting. I wish we had a small bin.
Just snap your fingers, it always works.
That's pretty. Oh, nice water. There you go. So you know, this is a trap. Why? Because it traps water in there. But the main thing, people say, well, if you lose stuff down the drain, you can get it out. Now, the trap is there so the gases from the sewer doesn't come up and you breathe it, guys. Come on. It's a sewer gas trap, okay? Maybe we'll find a ring in there. Will we tell the owner? Of course we will. We'll actually see what's in there. Hold on 1 second. Let's try it.
Ooh.
No rings.
That's disgusting.
Pretty? No rings. Oh well. I guess we have to keep on working for a living. Next, we're gonna have to disconnect this water lines right here. So first thing you do is you shut the valves off. And I am gonna be showing you guys in this video how to put new valves in. We cannot leave. See, these are the old. This is how the plumbers do the jobs. This is the old one. They leave it like that and then just slide a new one through the ceiling, punch a hole in there and charge you 5,000 bucks. These licensed plumbers, I tell you what, man. Okay. So you're supposed to have a plumber's adjustable wrench for this. Well, we ain't got one, so wait, not with me at least. Are you telling me to get my fingers out of the way?
That's okay.
I gotta say, boys, this is my least favorite job right here, working underneath sinks. It's almost as bad as changing the distributor on a Corvette. One of those electronic distributors on a Corvette. If anybody knows, comment down somewhere. It. So now we gotta find a way to get this countertop off. Next trick is get everything off of here. I got what's your channel? Mark Kings 101 helping me. Zeno Customs right on the camera. Guys, check those channels out. Cool channel. bunch of awesome information, but then Ziploc bag. Alright, once again, score the top, get the caulk out of there. If you don't cut the caulk, you will never ever get this thing out of here. This owner told me that they bought a house 4 years ago and she's been waiting for this remodel for a long time. So, there it comes. It's Christmas, you know, Crankit spent some money on Christmas. Now I need to get some money. Nope, not gonna happen. Alright guys, instead of the bigger screwdriver, we found the real way of doing it, but these guys are in the way, so this tool really helps. It's better than a flathead screwdriver. Come on, baby. There you go. Undid it. Make sure you guys bend these things back. Any nails, anything that can put you in an emergency room. Alright, now there's screws underneath here. Take a look, come on. Turn on your light. Right there. These screws going into the countertop. We got screws all up in here to take them off, alright? So we're gonna do that. I don't want you recording my bald head, so we're back. Alright guys, so we got the screws out. Mark King's 101 helped. Huh?
MK101.
MK101, MK101 directions from my producers. Oh, looky, look. Now we see this. We go whammo. Whammo, bammo, y'all. Oh, anybody want a sink? $10 on Pinterest.
Giveaway.
Or what? What are you looking at? You're looking there at me.
You!
Why are you pointing that way?
Because you're in the shot.
That's right out of the shot. Anyways, guys, so this
Facebook,
it's
Lego.
19. Let's see if we see a date on here.
2035.
No, 19. Look, 1933. No, it can't be 33. 1983, boys. June 5th, 1983. Anybody born on June 5th, 1983? No? Anybody born out there? Shout out at me and I'm gonna send you the sink. Okay.
Giveaway.
Very nice.
Yeah, you got a spider included. Come here, buddy, come here. All you animal rights activists, don't you even, it's a spider.
Alright, there we go.
What?
We're good. Let's start.
Doing what?
I don't know. Should we,
Alright, we gotta get this thing out of here, but the problem is gonna be too that we cannot remove these. So we're gonna have to cut it around to slide it out with this in the spot, but then I got the, anyways.
let's take out the cabinet first? Or the vanity?
Let's see what that does. And look what they use. They use particle board in a vanity in 1983. And people say things were built much better back in the days. Look boys, particle board, much better back in the days. Really? Although Ford Mustangs and all those cars, I gotta say, what's up with Ford with coming out with an electric Mustang? I got beef with that. Ford is failing. I have Ford, so don't diss me. They're failing. And then the next brightest idea they come up with is, let's make an electric Mustang. It's a Mustang. What do you mean electric Mustang? Leave the electric stuff to Tesla, to Priuses. Mustang is a Mustang. Come on guys, really? We're gonna do this differently, boys. This is gonna be a little bit different. Ow. sure you wear ear and eye protection at all times when you're doing this type of work. You just gotta make sure to do that. Do like aluminum hoods and fenders and get precise cornering. Bam! And that's it, and it's done. It's like, wow, okay. Alright. Alright, we'll get back to you, I think, when we figure this out. Alright, bye. Woo! Oh, check this out. Anybody wants to see my spiders? What do you think is going to be underneath there?
Spiders.
Spiders?
Yes.
Yeah.
What else? I see a cockroach. Whoa, let's see. Whoa, surprisingly.
It's pretty clean.
Wow. Surprisingly not much. We got mold. Mildew. Wow, look at this. Pressboard, boys. Pressboard. Yay! Good job. Built in the USA. Alright, guys. Time to clean this place out. This we're going to be really careful with. Like I said, the backboard. We need to cut all around this. That's going to be done for this area. Alright, number one thing, if you're taking off a toilet, millions of videos out there, but you gotta shut off the valve, water supply valve. Be a good idea to wear gloves. You know what? I think I should put some gloves on. Alright, now, so I shut the water off. Now it's leaking. Of course, these old valves built in the 1980s. Everything was built better back then. That's why everything leaks, including the valve covers on all the 1980s vehicles. But let's just keep on going. This was gonna give us a little bit of water. Now, you got water in the tank. You know what this is? The customer called me one time, about 2 years ago, and she's in panic. Victor, Victor! Excuse me, while I flush the toilet. And she's like, it's leaking all around my toilet. I don't know what to look. This valve won't even shut off now. That's just great. But it's leaking everywhere. I don't know what to do. It's nighttime. See this? This is Cold Weld. It's called Cold Weld by JB Weld. It's a two-part epoxy that you buy at Home Depot. Walmart's got it. We actually ended up running to Walmart, buying that, put it in for, it works underwater. This was installed, put in underwater. 2 years later, not a drip of water. Good stuff, awesome stuff, let's move on. They don't pay me enough for this. Now, so the valve is not shutting off. It's a problem. Sometimes if we force it, it'll shut off. Don't force it too much, because you can break that off and then you're real doo-doo. Doo-doo. Get it? Anyways.
Should we flush it again? Or be
Doesn't
alright.
matter. Your job is just to record, alright?
Alright.
Not to tell me what to flush and when to flush. Okay, now. Now the disgusting part, boys, is coming up. Okay, flathead screwdriver. Okay, here we go. I should.
Viewer discretion.
Yeah. Adjustable plumber's wrench, any type of adjustable wrench or a 10mm would have been nice, but we don't got it. I do have doctor's gloves. That's cool. Feel like a doctor working on a toilet.
Yummy.
That's just wax, okay? know, got some liquid residue on it, if you know what I mean. Great. Oh, the smell, boys. The smell of the liquid residue. Wow. I wish I knew who put this liquid residue on this. I would show him how to, or whatever. All you parents out there, potty train your kids, huh? Oh, now it's broken. Oh no, now what? Uh-oh. Now we got issues. Alright. Oh yeah. 1983 toilet coming out, boys. It was made in Mexico. Hacho in Mexico. Hacho. Okay. I get sidetracked a lot, don't I, in my videos? Oh yes, boys. Whoa. Oh no.
Do we have any towels with us?
I need a napkin, sir. I'm leaking.
I guess we gotta go get one now.
Oh, more. Guys, let me stand on this damp towel of urinage. I mean, water. Okay. See what happened here? It's a big problem. Oh, the smell, guys. Ah, I love this job. Yes. See, that's where the broke off. That's where that bolt broke off. That holds the toilet down, flange. So this is the flange bolt. My knees are wet.
Oh boy.
Yes. So it slides right up in here. Anyways, we'll show you on the clean one. But look, we had worms. Actually, that's roots. Roots. See these? These are roots coming in. Roots are, whoa. This is all roots. Why and where they're coming from? Right where this flange goes through the concrete, there's dirt down there. So if you got excessive amount of moisture, starts growing roots. So anyways, we're gonna clean all this up. And that's how you take the toilet out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, I see ya. Next step is what we're gonna do is get this tile out of here. So you can use two different types of tools. If your tile is down really hard, you might need to rent yourself a pneumatic chisel at Home Depot. They're just electric, huge chisels. For this particular homeowner, we did the whole house with that. But we're blessed knowing that this stuff comes off a lot easier. Alright? So, you know, you don't have to do all that. This is nice. This is a beautiful tool because you can use it for tile. You can also use it for baseboards. Now, if you're not going to be doing anything with the walls, be really careful with it. If you're going to be fixing walls, then it's fine. And also, that's beautiful. It works wonderful. You don't have to use a big hammer. You can also use a claw hammer, framer's hammer right there. It works beautiful like that too. So what you do is you get behind the baseboards that don't fit. But anyway, so you can use a hammer. So we're gonna get all this tile out of here. Hopefully it all comes up smooth. And we'll get back when it's all up. Alright guys, we're back on another adventure. Well, next step is this. The toilets are out, the floors are out now. Next, see this bulkhead? That's gonna come out. That's probably gonna be a little bit later because as soon as we rip that out, the insulation and everything's gonna be coming down. So the owner suggested that we wait until we have all the material on the job site to do that so we can cover up right away. We do not have all the material on the job site, so today, and now we want to take off these walls. This tile off the walls. We're going to try to cut it. It's either going to go really easy or it's going to go really bad. But we're going to see what happens. Follow along. Quick tip. When you're doing some of this work, as you can see, we haven't done that yet, but you don't want junk like this going into the drain. Especially nice. Especially if you're gonna be, if I can get a paper towel please. You're gonna be doing this demolishing, these tile pieces, you don't want it going in a drain. So my recommendation is just any type of tape. Anything's better than nothing. You can take paper towel and just stick it in there and whatever you want to do. But what we're trying to do is keep any of this debris of going down in there. So you can just take the paper towel and do this, and that already will work for you to keep that going. I always like to take a piece of tape too, glue it in there. It might not be pretty, but it's gonna do something to help us stop everything from going there. Alright, so this is crusty rusty, and this is hopefully not gonna give us too many issues, but most likely alright, we'll go to the next one. There should be a screw right underneath here. I'm not sure if it's a flathead or a Phillips.
So basically, this is not the way to do it.
Basically, it is the way you can do it, either way. So now we have more access to that screw. And if all else fails, we use pliers. Must get this off, guys, because the new one is gonna have. So all you got is this retainer ring now. See the Allen in there? Okay, thank you. This retainer ring is made so it should just slide off. Bam. You wouldn't take all of this off because the new ones don't really have any of this on there. They're different. And you got all that copper behind there trying not to. You got the whole ring here. It's old. Alright, next challenge is
Oh.
The water is on, boys. Anyways, see that? It's cool. The challenge is, now, since this is broken and rusted out, we're gonna have to get that
Drill?
out of there. So,
You could pull out this blade.
my old friend MacGyver used to say, what do you got to work with? I don't have anything to work with, so you... No, you don't want to break the valve off. We just gotta make it work, because I'm gonna be replacing the valve anyways. Is the right way to do it? No. Because you're supposed to be able to use the easy out, drill it out. Let's see what happens after this breaks off. Whoa, good we didn't get flooded. See? That's all gonna get replaced. I wouldn't do that if we weren't out replacing it. Oh, great. Every time I do one of these houses, issues every time. And this is not good. Well, boys and girls, I'll figure out a way to get that off and let you know how I did it. Alright guys, well, this has got the impact option on here. Telling you, Ryobi. Oh yeah. So they used green board in 1983. They used green board. That's pretty good. We're gonna use Duroc. So that's off. Now we gotta go up top and get this off. Now the owner is buying all new hardware, all new everything for us. We don't have to save any of that, which makes things good. All right. Wow, they caulked the junk out of this bad boy. So this is all right now. This can stay. So we're gonna start demoing the walls. Let's see how we're gonna do that. We're gonna go back to our pry bar hammer, my little baby hammer. All right, now with this too, you don't want chunks of tile going in there. So my suggestion is, and my recommendation is, the least expensive way is to get like 5 Walmart, Publix, Winn-Dixie, Piggly Wiggly shopping bags. Whatever other stores you got, Meyer, and Save-A-Lot. Okay, now let's see what happens, but I just don't want anything going in there. Oh my. Alright, this is not going to be a good one, boys. Get the picture? So, what we're trying to do is we're replacing this drywall anyway. So, what we're going to try to do is get to one of the studs. Hold on, you wait. I will show you how to do that.
Is that green?
Okay. So what happens? After you can get to one of the studs, okay, there's a stud here and a stud there. We can go in and then we start prying. Okay. If it was a Durac piece, we would have been prying it with big pieces already, but since it's not, okay, so I'm gonna try to do it.
There we go.
So pretty much this is how, see, these pieces are getting loose. What we're gonna try to do is, our goal is to that's how you keep on going. You just keep on going until everything's off. Easy, easy peasy. Then you turn it off. One more thing, how to stuff a toilet bowl. Besides the obvious way, you take one bag, put all these bags inside, make it into a bowl like this, flip it in, and you got two handles. When you're done, you just take that, throw it out. There you go. Alright guys, подальше стань. Alright, this is what I was talking about, having smaller pieces that you can just break out like this. See? Wall's gone. Little by little we'll be able to get them out and just keep on going. We're going to replace this valve. We're going to place all the plumbing. See, this is how the plumbers do your plumbing for you. See that? Let's burn the house down. I don't know what all this about. What's all this about in this house? What's all this for? I don't know. But hey, we're gonna make it right, right? Look at this. I'm a proud father of a wall tile. Now that I did all this by myself and got it out, a lot of work. Oh, all right, we're gonna take all this junk, put it on a trailer, take it to one of my job sites, put it in the dumpster, and we're gonna fight to get this bathtub out of here. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get a 1983 bathtub out of its home. And now we're gonna take all this stuff, throw it out the window into the wheelbarrow and put it on a trailer. Alright guys, well, some bad news. The tool that is used to unscrew this, a lot of the times I'll just take one set of pliers, put it in there. Then you take another set of channel locks or something like that. Supposedly most of the time you can go in like this and spin it and it'll come out. But since this is built in 1983, built forever, bottom's copper, that's copper, and most likely corrodes just like that. Or maybe some steel stuff to get in there, whatever, so it's corroding. So next best thing is to use a grinder, cut off wheel, whether it's carbon, diamond. This is for tile, it works. And use eye protection, ear protection for sure. And we're gonna have to cut these. We're gonna have to pretty much cut it and take it out in pieces. All right, boys, let's do this.
Definitely not the right way.
Well,
The only way. Yeah.
All right. Now we can see if our bathtub is loose. Please take all of this away. Okay. Oh, wow. Now don't forget guys, this is a cast iron bathtub, so you might have this thing is gonna weigh like 400 pounds. So we're gonna have to wrestle this thing out of here. See how that goes. And then things like this happen. When you think everything's good, your plumbing breaks. When you're getting the bathtub up, the plumbing broke at the T, at the drain. So now we have to take all this dirt and sand out to get to the T and see what happens and how we're gonna make the repair. Not really sure yet, so just keep on going. Alright guys, we're back. We got the bath, I don't know where we left off. The bathtub's out, cleaned up. We went down there, found where the break was. Now, we're gonna get rid of this. I know this is easier said than done, but you cut it. Cut it. Got it. Go on this side. It's the same thing. And then it's better if you give me a crowbar. We're gonna try to get this bad boy out first. We're gonna see where it's dry. Maybe not.
Time to use our little friend. There you have it. Halfway. Out the window it goes. Whoops.
They actually built these things. See, that's where the ceiling is. They actually put the 1x4 pressure treated so the Durock can go all the way up top. And then they dropped these ceilings down for some reasons that
No one knows.
nobody really knows. I guess the 80s, that was pretty cool. But today, it's not so cool.
In 2019, almost 2020, we just like it all the way.
Yeah, that needs to be scored. Okay, one more piece and we're finished. This is an approved, OSHA approved ladder. Yes. Opa! Hopefully this doesn't hit me in the head or nose.
Out the window, just send it. There you go.
Alright boys and I'm bleeding on the job. Alright, good stuff guys. Next video is coming to you. We're gonna clean some of this stuff up. I think the next thing we're gonna do is how to install a brand new bathtub in a 1983 home with plumbing repair. So the heading's gonna be brand new bathtub installation in a remodel of a 1983 Florida home. See you guys later.